Welcome to another tutorial for your CAMFive EMB embroidery machine. This time we'll show you how to change your needles. Let's get to it. Replacing a needle is as simple as turning your machine on. Either for breaking or usage, you can change the needle by placing an Allen wrench in the needle holder. Turn the wrench to the left until it's loose. Do not lose it too much, just until you can take the needle out by pulling it down. To attach the new needle, you have to check which is the correct side. The needle has in one side a track and on the other side has a curve before the tip. The curve goes facing back and the track on the front. Place it in the needle holder, and once you put the needle facing the right position, press it all the way. Make sure the needle's eye is facing front, and once everything is right, you can tighten back with the Allen wrench. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned on our social media for more videos and tutorials for CAMFive EMB machines.